How do I reset my ADT alarm system?
In this video, we'll show you how to reset your ADT alarm system step by step. Resetting your alarm system can help solve issues like false alarms, system errors, and other common problems. Let's get started.
What is the ADT alarm system and why would I need to reset it?
The ADT alarm system is a security system designed to protect your home or business from unauthorized entry. Sometimes, you may need to reset your system to clear errors or after a power outage. Reasons for resetting include clearing error messages, resolving false alarms, resetting the system after a power outage.
How do I locate my ADT alarm panel?
Before resetting your ADT alarm system, you'll need to locate your alarm panel. This is typically a wall-mounted unit in your home or business, usually near the main entry point. Look for a control panel with a digital display and buttons.
How do I reset my ADT alarm system?
Follow these steps to reset your ADT alarm system. 1. Disarm the system. Enter your security code and press the Off or Disarm button on the control panel. 2. Power down the system. Locate the AC transformer for the alarm system. This is usually a small, rectangular plug in a nearby electrical outlet. Unplug the transformer to cut power to the system. 3. Remove the backup battery. Open the control panel by removing the screws or pressing the release tabs. Inside, you'll find the backup battery. Carefully disconnect the battery by removing the wires connected to the terminals. 4. Wait for 30 seconds. This allows the system to fully power down and reset. 5. Reconnect the battery and power. Reconnect the backup battery by attaching the wires to the terminals. Close the control panel and reattach any screws or clips. Plug the AC transformer back into the electrical outlet. 6. Power up the system. The system should now power up and initialize. This may take a few minutes. Once completed, the system should be reset and ready for use. 7. Test the system. Arm and disarm the system using your security code to ensure everything is working properly. Resetting your ADT alarm system is a simple process that can help resolve common issues. If you continue to experience problems after resetting, consider contacting ADT customer support for further assistance.